Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you from the Hoosier land. Today I'm home at my mother and father's house. I got to help my mom do a little bit of gardening and other things around here. But today we're looking at planting strawberries. I'm almost done here, about to go back to Germany, and I wanted to get some of the other stuff done. I didn't get nearly as much done. My family really did a good job of making me feel special this week, and we were running around doing things the entire time. So sit back, relax, enjoy a little bit of the planting, and I'll see you at the end. That was just a short little video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.